Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to host a truly unforgettable event, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Midjourney to design show stopping invitations and decor that will wow your guests and set the perfect mood. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips. Let's jump in. All right, let's start with the centerpiece of any event planning, the invitations. Invitations are more than just a piece of paper or an email. They're the first impression your guests will have of your event. They set the tone, build excitement, sorry about that, and reflect the theme you've chosen. Whether it's elegant or formal or even playful or casual, well, the right design makes all the difference. Now, with Midjourney, we can take your vision and turn into something truly eye-catching. Now, let's craft an invitation for, let's say, a glamorous masquerade ball. So here's the prompt we'll use to bring this to life. Right here, let's say masquerade ball invitation. I wanted the design to mostly be black and gold, has an intricate mask illustration. The text or font needs to be bold and cursive, has to be luxurious and mysterious. Sorry about that. Ultra detailed, high quality, aspect ratio of 2 by 3. And yep. And then set the prompt. So let's talk about why this design works. So by including details like the color scheme, the type of imagery, and even the mood we're aiming for, we're giving Midjourney a clear direction. This level of specificity helps the AI generate options that closely align with your event's vibe. And if you ever feel stuck, you can experiment with different descriptors to fine tune the results. And here we go. As you'll see right here, just look at these gorgeous invitations. As you'll see right here with the black and gold theme, that immediately screams like luxury here, see? And the intricate mask illustration on each design here, see? It adds the perfect touch of mystery. So these designs could easily be printed as is, or you could customize it further using a graphic design tool. So the best part, you've just designed invitations that rival anything you'd find in a boutique stationery shop. See? Next, let's shift our focus to table decor. This is where your guests will spend much of their time, so creating a setting that's both functional and beautiful is key. Imagine walking into a room and seeing a table that perfectly captures your theme. It's like setting the stage for your event story. So, for this segment, we'll craft a prompt right over here that would make Midjourney design, let's say, a table setting for a romantic outdoor wedding under the stars. So here are all the details right here for this prompt. So let's get into it right about now. Now, here's where things get exciting. From there, just notice how we added specific elements like fairy lights and floral centerpieces to create a cohesive look. This includes small details as well, like the color palette or even the ambiance. This ensures the AI has everything it needs to craft a picture perfect design. So let's see what Midjourney comes up with right about now. And here it is. Wow. Wow. Just look at this for each of the rendered image that Midjourney did. See the warm glow of the fairy lights and the delicate blush tone right here that come together so beautifully. This is exactly the kind of setting that makes guests feel like they've stepped into a dream. You could use these visuals to guide your wedding planner or even recreate, sorry about that, some of these elements yourself. See here with the tablecloth, with the dishes, plates or glass cups here with the flowers and the lighting right here and the setting that were arranged. See, under the stars. And yep, here we go. So if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Moving on, let's talk about creating statement backdrops. Whether it's for photos, speeches, or just a stunning centerpiece for your event, a good backdrop can elevate the entire experience. The best backdrops are bold, creative, and make people, let's say, want to take out their phones for a photo op. Now, let's create one for let's say, a vibrant Bollywood themed party. So this will be fun. Now, this prompt right here, see, Bollywood themed, vibrant colors, gold and red is the main color theme for the Bollywood themed backdrop here. Make it more luxurious yet festive, has glowing lanterns, marigold flower garlands, has to be high detailed, ultra realistic, and aspect ratio of 16:9. Now, let's send this off right about now. So I'm really excited about this one. Think about how the colors and patterns will pop in a room filled with guests. And by mentioning specific elements like fabric drapes and marigold garlands, we're making sure the design feels authentic to the theme. And now, let's see how Midjourney interprets this one. Righty. Just wait a bit while until the image rendering process is complete. And then here it is. See right here, the designs for each of these photos are quite breathtaking, I must say. The richness of the colors and the intricate details really capture the Bollywood vibe. A backdrop like this would be perfect for photos or as a focal point behind the stage. You can use this design as inspiration for your decor team or even have it printed to bring the vision to life. See how beautiful this is? This one? To wrap things up, let's focus on the smaller details. Party favors. A beautifully designed party favor tags or label can tie the whole event together and leave a lasting impression on your guests. These little touches show you've put thought into every detail, and they make the favors feel extra special. Now, let's create a whimsical design, let's say for a children's birthday party with a space theme. So here is one prompt here that I've crafted together. There we go, with all the details here and there. Rocket illustration, stars and planets, has to be vibrant colors, fun and child-friendly design, bold cartoon font, ultra detailed, high quality. Go aspect ratio 2:3. Now let's send this over. Now, this is where we can really have some fun. By specifying the playful elements like rockets and planets, we're ensuring the design matches the tone of the party. And now, let's see how Midjourney brings this out of this world theme to life. And then, here it is. Wow, these tags are quite adorable, I must say. So the vibrant colors and cute rocket illustrations right here are perfect for a kid's party. See, with another one, with different colors and design. So yeah, you can easily print these on cardstock and attach them to goodie bags or small gifts. It's a simple way to make the event even more memorable for your little guests. And there you have it. From invitations to decor and even party favors like these ones, Midjourney can transform your event into something truly magical. Let me know in the comments what event theme you're planning next and how you're using Midjourney for inspiration. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tips. See you in the next video.